video, I will show you how to use my Nick Shawn trading panel, which is the AEA running here. I'm going to trade the USD Swiss franc 15-minute chart. You can see this is a nice up and down cycle. It's at the bottom here. If I look at this, I would say it's a good buy because of this bounce here and also bouncing up from there. See there? So, oh, by the way, check these massive opening candles at the midnight. It's amazing how big they are. It's the only pair that did that. Okay, I would say we buy here. Now, just look this interesting one. I can say buy and hedge, and it'll automatically place my sell stop below my buy. So if I click buy and hedge, there it will do my buy, put my take profit, which is 2 ATRs, and it's got my sell stop there. I normally just drag it a little bit past there. So it's a little bit more, but at least if the price runs down, then this can make profit and it can run down here. So the next thing I do on this high here of the day, I would set a trap for if it gets there. So I just put it on there and I press T for trap, and it will automatically put a sell limit and a buy stop. Your risk is only the gap, only the gaps. If you add that up, if everything triggers, your risk is a gap. Okay, and on this here, you can see nicely, you've got the buy profits, you've got the sell profits and all of them, and also the close profit from a date. So you can set the date, which is nice. You can make it today if you want to see today. I started trading Nick Shawn on the 20th, so that's why I might just default to the 20th. Okay, so see, that is another low there. That is 2 days ago. So I can just go on that low and I press T for trap. And there it places a buy stop, a buy limit, and a sell stop. See there? So should price run down, okay, this buy will be losing, okay, and the sell will kick in. When we reach here, we want that sell to actually close, and then it will buy again. If it goes up, then your buy take profit will drop down. The nice thing is here, this is a virtual line. It will never allow you to go closer than $1. So just look here. If I go and I drag it now, I just go on it with the mouse and I drag it down. Can you see there? It says 1. It doesn't go. It won't allow you to go below 1. So if I drop it, it will. If I let go below, it will just drop it on the 1. In this case, I want this buy to run up to that sell there. So what I do is I just drag it up there. Okay, it's just convenient. Now I can walk away. If this buy go up there, it will close profit, and then my close profit will show, and it will immediately sell. Should it run further, it will take that buy stop, and that's your risk there. Okay, then we can look at further back to the left on the daily and see where is the next resistance, and we can place a trap there. This is slow trading. It's actually almost frustratingly slow. That's why you trade somewhere a lot of pairs and your risk is very low. So this is it. I'm walking away from this and I'll report back later what's happening. Okay, this is a very nice example of how to use Nick Shawn. It's exactly what he does. He would buy or sell. He even use a random number creator and then just put your